Hi guys, we're here in the week 3 for the first course supervised machine learning regression and classification. We will try with you the quiz of cost function for logistic regression. We go there. I will try again with you. Question 1. In this lecture series, cost and loss have distinct meanings. Which one applies to a single training example? Once there is a single training example, B. Loss function, not cost. This is the correct answer. Question 2. This is simplified loss function. This is derivative for x and y. There is two instances for the equation. An instance is when y equal 1 and the other when y equal 0. The equation is focused on y equal 0. Then the log expression in the first line is ignored. Then the loss function is only focused on the second line when y equal 0. So the correct answer is the first option.
Well, graduation and pass. Thank you.